welcome back. I hope you all are having a marvelous Monday. So thank you again for being here. I do truly appreciate it. If you are new, I do wish you would consider hitting that subscribe button. We have lots of fun here. Tons of unboxings, giveaways, live streams. It's always a great time, and we would love to have you join our YouTube family. And as always, please do leave a comment about your thoughts on the video and how your day is going. I love hearing from you guys. And please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. It does help me out. As you can see from the description below, today we have our June 2019 My Fashion Crate. And before we get into that, I'm going to just kind of tell you about it a little bit if you are not familiar. So My Fashion Crate actually has 3 different subscription levels. They have their accessory level, where you receive 2 to 3 items, and it could be any type of accessories, jewelry, maybe makeup, any type, stuff like that. And it is $20 a month. And then they have their essential package where you receive 3 to 4 items, and that is $35 a month. And that is going to basically be everything like the accessory type stuff, makeup, and potentially clothing. Then they do have their top tier, their premium box or package that is $49.95 a month, and you receive 5 to 8 items. Again, accessories, makeup, clothing. There's no telling what will be in there, but it is always a wonderful surprise. So I do have the premium. It is the $49.95 option. So we will get unboxing. Again, this is for June 2019. I do want to say thank you very much to My Fashion Crate for sending this to me to review and share with you guys. So I love this subscription. I have unboxed it many times, and I have always loved everything in it. So we will definitely be opening up and taking a look. I do want to remind you guys that one day this week I will be posting a giveaway, and it is a really awesome giveaway if I do say so myself. So keep an eye out for that. And again, like I said, if you have not already, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you. So let's get into this pretty shiny package. So I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. Oh, it's like really sticky. Okay, there we go. And it is packed in there. So we are going to pull everything out. All right. So we have an empty bag. And there is usually a card. There it is. So we have our card here. So June 2019. And this again is the premium box. So this goes over all of the items, and I do like that they include pricing. I really appreciate when there's just a card period, but also when there is a card with the information and pricing. So we will reference that when we need to. So we're just going to get started and dive in and see what we got for June 2019. All right, so the first thing I am seeing is this right here from Fadivo, New York. And it is a scarf. And I like here on the back, it shows you could wear it around your neck as a headband, that way on your head, that way, like it shows you different ways you can use it. And I think the colors are so pretty and so summery. I just love that. I think it is so beautiful. So we have this scarf. Awesome. That is so pretty. So let's read about this. Spring floral scarf. With a lightweight fabrication and a spray of budding blooms and blossoms, this silk scarf is ready for spring. Whether tied around your neck, the handle of your tote, which is really cute, that is a good idea too, or in your hair, a well-printed scarf adds a vintage-inspired finish to any look. And it says the value is $35. All right, so we're going to move right along. And then here we have, what are you? Deco Nail Lacquer, Deco Miami. It's vegan, cruelty free, luxury grade formula, better than photos. That's the name of the color. This is the packaging, which is actually really, really interesting. I like the packaging. So let's open it and take a look at the Oh, so this is a very pretty color, and the bottle, I like the way the bottle is. So we have this nail polish right here. Again, the actual name is Better Than Photos. Very pretty. I don't think you guys are going to be able to read that, but that is the name of the color. All right, so back in there. We seem to be getting a lot of nail polishes in different subscriptions, and I think that's because everybody knows it's the time of year where everyone has their toes out. So they're wanting to make sure that our toes look cute. Let's see. Better Than Photos polish, cause you look even better than photos. This deep cranberry red cream is opaque in 2 coats, and it is an $8 value. And then we have Busy Beauty Showerless Conditioner, Smooth Detangle, Defrizz, no water needed. Showerless conditioner? So is this like a dry shampoo? Detangle, smooth, and moisturize instantly with Busy Beauty Showerless Conditioner. Spray in mid-length to ends. Avocado oil will hydrate and smooth cuticles. Perfect to use between washes to defrizz while adding texture and body. So that is interesting. Busy Beauty brings you the new 3-in-1 showerless conditioner that requires absolutely no water. Hydrate, defrizz, and detangle all in one. Our unique formula is non-greasy, allowing for hair to be moisturized while it remains dry. Hold bottle 3 to 4 inches away from hair and spray from mid-shaft to ends. Keep your style. Simply use hands to massage through and smooth out. I want to smell this. So this does sound more... Normally the dry shampoo like absorbs oil and things like that. I mean, this isn't saying, it obviously says it's not greasy, but I don't know if this is quite a dry shampoo. It smells good. It smells fresh and clean. So we have that right there. And if I did not say it was $10. And then, oh, this is pretty. So it looks like we have a really pretty bangle bracelet. From Shine Bright. So you can see here. And like I said, it is a bangle bracelet. That is really pretty. I know like bangles are in, arrows are in, so they got it all right there in one. That is super, super pretty. So let's take a look and see what they say about it. Gold tone black cubic zirconia triangle open cuff from Sterling Forever. This is a cuff for all occasions, whether you're going glam for prom, a first date, or just for the sake of looking your best. This gold tone black onyx cuff will complete your look, adjustable to fit you perfectly, and it says it's valued at $65. So that's a good value. And there is a coupon from Sterling Forever, the company that made the bracelet. They put in here for $20 off and free shipping, so that is nice. All right, so now we have 2 clothing items, and all right, so we'll start with this first one right here. If I can get it open. Oh, it feels very soft. I know that. It feels super, super soft. Oh my goodness, this is just darling. Do you see this? It's like this really cute tank top, but then it has like the little flutter here. So you kind of see the pattern better. That is so cute. I really like that. And that's just a really fun pattern. All right. Darling Florin tank top. This darling floral tank top is such a must-have for any spring occasion. We are swooning for the gorgeous floral print. The bodice features a square neckline with a stylish sleeveless cut. We love wearing this darling look with denim shorts and sandals for a relaxed weekend look. It's a $38 value. And then you can see like right there kind of how it looks. So it is a tank top, but it has that little bit of flutter. So it is super adorable, and it is so soft and lightweight. I really, really like that. And then our final item is a dress. Y'all, it is a dress. So it says darling pattern dress. We are falling in love with this darling dress featuring a classic combination of red and black pattern. Just add heels and a few sparkling bracelets to make this dress shine. It's a $45 value. So that's basically almost the cost of the box. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Y'all, okay. So it up top is this gorgeous like crisscross V-neck, if you can kind of see that there. It is short sleeve, and the top is kind of cottony feeling. Sorry, I know my lights are reflecting. And then it's like an empire waist, and it goes to this gorgeous formula pattern, and it's like a knee length dress. So I want to show you guys. All right, let me try and do this. I'm trying not to blind you. So you can see, and then it goes down to that like that, and then it's like a knee length. This dress, sorry, is absolutely stunning. It is so beautiful, and it is lightweight. So this is perfect for like a summer night out. Y'all, that dress is just so beautiful. Like, it is just absolutely gorgeous. I love this so much. And this is a great piece to transition into the fall with as well. I think this is stunning. Oh, I love it. I love how like flowy the bottom is. You guys, oh, I am in love. And with that cuff, yes. So I am so excited. This has probably been my favorite month for my fashion crate. That dress right there did it. That dress is absolutely gorgeous. So let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think of this month? Do you receive my fashion crate? You know, what do you think of this? I think it is fantastic. I will put a link down below if you would like to check them out and sign up. I hope you guys enjoyed, and again, have a wonderful Monday. Have a wonderful week, and be on the lookout for that giveaway this week. It will be posting in the next couple of days. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you with the next one. Bye.